Imagine this: you have the talent, the passion, and a camera in your hands, but your bank account tells a different story. Photography is one of the most rewarding careers, but let's be honest, talent alone doesn't pay the bills. What if I told you that with the right strategy, you could turn your photography into a six-figure business or even a source of passive income? Today, I'll show you how to make money as a photographer, whether you're just starting out or looking to level up. Many photographers struggle to make a stable income. Maybe you've underpriced your work, relied on unpredictable freelance gigs, or found it hard to attract high-paying clients. The competition is fierce, and with smartphones improving every year, some even think photography is dying. But here's the truth: the photographers who understand the business side are thriving. So, how do you transform your skills into consistent, scalable income? Let's break it down. 1. Finding your profitable niche. Photography is a vast industry, and generalists struggle to stand out. To make serious money, you need to niche down. Wedding photography, luxury real estate, e-commerce, high-end portraits, event coverage each has different profit margins and demand. For example, wedding photographers charge anywhere from $2,000 to $10,000 per event, while product photographers often land retainers with brands that need new images every month. Think about what excites you and where there's demand. A great way to test a niche? Freelance part-time while keeping your main income source. Once you find a niche with high demand and strong pricing potential, double down. 2. Mastering high-paying photography services. Once you've picked a niche, the next step is offering premium services. Your pricing isn't just about the hours you shoot, it's about the experience, quality, and value you bring. For instance, instead of just offering portrait sessions, create exclusive branding packages that include social media-ready content, professional retouching, and multiple outfit changes. Clients pay more for perceived value. A corporate headshot photographer might charge $250 per session, but a branding expert with a tailored experience can command $1,500 or more. Small details like personalized styling guides, same-day previews, and unique edits can justify premium pricing. 3. Building a strong personal brand and online presence. Your online presence can make or break your photography business. In 2024, a strong Instagram, TikTok, or website portfolio is non-negotiable. Clients want to see your best work instantly. But here's the key: don't just post photos. Tell a story. Share behind the scenes, client testimonials, and transformations. A simple before and after comparison of your edits can go viral. Engagement matters. Reply to comments, collaborate with influencers, and use SEO-friendly blog posts to attract local clients searching for best portrait photographer near me. 4. Maximizing passive income as a photographer. Active income is great, but passive income is where the real scalability begins. Photographers make money while they sleep through. Selling stock photos on sites like Shutterstock and Adobe Stock. Creating and selling Lightroom presets or Photoshop actions. Offering digital courses on Udemy or Teachable. Selling prints or digital downloads via Etsy or their own website. Stock photography is a numbers game. A single image might earn $10, but multiply that by 1,000 images, and you're looking at steady, passive income. 5. Networking and partnering with high-value clients. Photography is as much about relationships as it is about skill. The fastest way to grow? Strategic networking. Attend industry events, collaborate with influencers, and offer free initial work to build trust. Let's say you want to shoot for high-end real estate. Reach out to top realtors in your city and offer one free shoot. If they love it, you've got a repeat client who refers you to others. Many top photographers built their careers this way. One strategic free shoot could lead to $50,000 plus in long-term work. 6. Monetizing social media and content creation. Photography isn't just about taking pictures anymore, it's about content creation. Social media has opened doors for photographers to make money beyond client shoots. Some ways to monetize your content. Create a YouTube channel teaching photography and earn from ads and sponsorships. Post Instagram Reels and TikToks showcasing your work, attracting brand deals. Use affiliate marketing, review camera gear, and earn commissions when people buy. A single viral video could bring thousands of new followers and multiple revenue streams. 7. Scaling up, turning photography into a full-time business. The ultimate goal is financial freedom. To scale up, you need systems. Here's how. Hire an assistant or editor to free up time. Offer workshops or online coaching for new photographers. Create a photography subscription service, where clients pay monthly for fresh content. A single-person photography business has income limits, but a well-run studio can scale to multiple six figures per year. 8. Photography in the AI era. How to stay ahead. AI editing tools, smartphone cameras, and automation are changing the game. But photography isn't dying, it's evolving. Smart photographers leverage AI instead of fearing it. AI can handle basic edits, but creativity, storytelling, and personal branding can't be replaced. Stay ahead by offering unique artistic edits, cinematic storytelling, or experiences AI can't replicate. Most people take pictures. Few turn it into a real business. The difference? Action. Every day you delay, opportunities are passing by. Start small, test niches, and build momentum. You don't need a perfect setup, you need consistency. Photography is more than a passion. It's a high-income skill when you play it right. The question is, are you ready to turn your lens into a paycheck? If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Which strategy will you try first? And since you stayed until the end, I've left some exclusive resources in the description. Also, YouTube just picked the perfect next video for you. It's on the screen now. Click it, and let's keep learning.